Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings. So let's see what is in cards for today. Two cards have popped up, so I'm taking both together. Sun and the moon, an amazing combination. Though the day is going to be good, you can look forward to good things. You might be worried, you might have your own thought process, whether you're taking the right decision, whether it is the right time to do things or not. But when it is a sun and the moon's combination, I feel that you should just go by your inner feel, you should go by your intuition, and you should see what is best for you and for those around you, and then do it. Because when you don't go by your intuition, then maybe there are chances that you will end up being fooled. So maybe, or else what you can do is, if today there is any major decisions to be taken, then postpone it for another day. Maybe today is not the day to decide. Just focus on your career, focus on your goals, and do your routine work. Don't do anything new. Those who do investments, or those who are into shares and all, just lay low today. Don't do any major changes in your finances, no major decisions in your work, no major decisions even in your personal life. Just be determined that okay, today I will just do the work I'm supposed to do. Today is not the day for me, and go with the flow. So today in the morning, if you can chant Om Namah Shivaya 108 times. Today the color will be red. You will keep needing energy to handle things, so the color red today. Also in the evening or in the morning, if you have time, go to some Shiv temple and offer sugar and come there. A minimum of 1 kg of sugar. You can give more also if you want, more like donating it for the Shiv link or for the Shiv Mandir, which will bring in more prosperity in your life. And also, if possible, in the evening, donate or do some charity work today. Maybe feeding a poor person, or feeding a stray animal, or helping someone in need. Then in that ways, any obstacles that is stopping your growth, that is not allowing you to grow, will start changing and things will be better. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.